Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I am on location here at this movie theater and I'm working on this game, and I want to point out something. I came here to fix the flipper assembly, which I've been working on. I found another problem with it. The end of stroke switch is broken on that. Look at that. So it's missing. It broke off, so I'm going to have to fix that. But when I was looking around, I found a couple of these screws in the bottom. When you see a screw in the bottom of the pinball machine, you want to know where that came from. So you start looking at all the assemblies where these screws might come from, and I discovered this up kicker right here, or this diverter, had both of these screws missing, and this little bracket was bouncing around. So I will re-secure those and put some thread lock on it. So when you see stuff in the machine, on the bottom of the machine, you always want to look and find out where they came from, and you can sometimes stop a problem from getting worse. This thing was probably going to get all torn up if I hadn't caught this and put it back in place. So always pay attention to what's in the bottom of the machine. And that's it, just a short video. Till next time, thanks for watching.